She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some beef and onion stir fry, Chinese style. Guys, trust me, this recipe right here are gonna be super delicious. Your families, your friends, everybody are gonna enjoy it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to someone that you know will enjoy it. Now keep it to yourself. Thank you all so much for all the love and your support on my channel. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Psalms 145 verse 18. So this is the word of the Lord. The Lord is near to all who call on him. To all who call on him in truth. So guys, I just want to say, no matter what you're going through, just continue to call upon the Lord. Go and pray to him, because honestly he's listening to you. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So guys, in my bowl right here, I've got at least 3 pounds of beef. This is my ginger, at least 1 tablespoon of my fresh ginger. I also have some of my scallion. As you can see, I cut it. This is how I cut it. I cut it, you know, a bit big. Yeah, you can cut it in whichever size you prefer. Also have garlic, at least 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, make sure that the garlic is finely chopped. An onion. This is half onion that I cut, and I also cut my onion, you know, pretty big, like so. Now I'm gonna show you my sauce. So here I have at least 3 tablespoons of my oyster sauce. This is at least 4 tablespoons to 5 tablespoons of my oyster sauce. This is my dark soya, and this is at least 3 tablespoons. And I also cut some of my white part of my scallion. Yes, these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 2 teaspoons of my Chinese 5 spice. I also have 2 teaspoons of my black pepper, 1 tablespoon of my garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of my onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, and at least 3 tablespoons of my honey. Yeah. So guys, now I'm just gonna cut up my meat. I'm gonna cut them like so. You don't want to cut them, you know, too big.
And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing.
Yeah, almost finished.
Delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
So that's done. Just gonna put them in my bowl. So guys, my meat is already washed and clean. So I'm just gonna take a paper towel and just, you know, dry it just a little bit. Any excess water. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of my oil. That's it. Then my seasoning. I'm gonna mix it all in. Just gonna add it like so. I'm gonna leave back a little bit of my seasoning, at least this amount for my sauce. I'm gonna add just a pinch of my salt, and I'm also gonna add some of my dark soya like so. I'm just gonna mix it. Make sure that everything is all combined. You can just also use your hand. Yeah, so that's done. You can leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or so. Guys, as you can see, I have my pot on my stove, and to my pot I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil for now. Then I'm gonna saute my onion, a scallion. Add my onion first. Also gonna add the white part of my scallion. Okay. Scallion now. I'm gonna add a bit of my garlic. Just a little bit of my ginger also. I'm just gonna saute it, guys, for at least 1 minute or so. Yeah, I would say 1 minute. You don't want it to overcook. Guys, it smells so good. So just after 1 minute, guys, I'm just gonna remove it. As I said, you don't want it to be too saggy.
She a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking.
I'm gonna cook my beef, so I'm just gonna add some more of my olive oil, at least 1 tablespoon. So now I'm gonna add my beef. You're just gonna leave it, guys. Do not turn it. I'm gonna leave it to fried on a medium to high heat for at least 3 minutes, okay? Do not turn it. So just after 3 minutes, just gonna turn them over. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it like so. Guys, normally I would allow all the liquid to reduce, but I have an idea what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove some of the liquid and just add it to my sauce. So guys, it's been cooking for over 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave it for another 4 minutes, okay? 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir. See that? That's exactly what you want. So now guys, I'm gonna remove it. Just put it to my plate for now. So now guys, I'm gonna add my remaining garlic and my remaining ginger. Make sure that your stove is turned on. Just gonna leave it for at least 20 seconds. Just stir it so it doesn't burn. This is the liquid that I collect from the pan. Just gonna add it. So now that I add my liquid, I'm gonna add my dark soya.
Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing, delicious recipes from Jody Cooking.
So guys, I'm also gonna add my oyster sauce. Mix it in. So now I'm adding my Hoisin sauce. My honey. Guys, if it's too thick, what you can do, you can add just a little bit of water just to loosen it up, okay? I'm just gonna allow it to come to a simmer. I'm also gonna add all my remaining seasoning. So guys, it has come to a boil. So now I'm gonna add all my beef. Absolutely delicious. And mix it all in. Guys, this looks so good. This looks absolutely delicious. Oh my god. So guys, now I'm gonna add my onions and my scallion, okay? This is absolutely delicious. Guys, I just taste some and trust me, it is better than any Chinese takeaway. Gonna mix it all in. This looks so good. I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 2 minutes or so, and it is ready, good to go. You can serve it over some rice or some noodle. I am so loving this recipe. I know that my family are gonna enjoy it, especially my children, because they love Chinese food. So guys, it is ready to serve. Did I turn my stove off? Beautiful.
Media platforms for more of these amazing, delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.
I'm just gonna plate it up. As I said, you can serve it over some rice or some noodle, anything of your choice. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it is cooked to perfection. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. Guys, honestly, if I go to a restaurant, I will definitely have this recipe. I give it 10 out of 10. It is so flavorful. Look at that sauce, nice and thick. So guys, this is it. This is how I make my beef and onion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to someone that you know will enjoy it. Please guys, it helps my channel to grow. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. And guys, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Bye guys.